Pasok na kami sa gate. Stricto ng New Zealand at Australia.
Saan? Kay Catholic. Okay yung kay Catholic. Hindi pa ako nagabili. Wala masarap din.
It's a video.
Hi.
Morning. We would like to invite business customers
Time check in the time check.
Go to Career One with Emerald and South
Hey guys, so
please keep your passport
been a
and
while.
other documents and present only your Manila
It's been a while.
Thank you.
Oh my god, papasok na tayo guys.
Papasok na tayo.
Board na tayo. Let's go. Yeah.
The board meeting will be delayed due to the additional servicing of the aircraft.
Ba't laging ganun yung delay function?
As well as the aircraft servicing.
Window shopping. Window shopping guys.
Alam mo kung 1 peso lang ka lahat, binili na natin ito.
Ba't naman 1 peso?
Oh, sige, 10.
Sali ka na, Jella.
Sige!
Ito na lang.
Uy, dapat pala ito yung regalo kay Miss Roman.
May ganyan na si Miss Roman.
Ano ka ba? Citibank pa nga ata yung ano niya.
Terra body? Oh. Sa likod mo, sa likod mo.
Oh! My whole body shaking.
Uy, Kindle. Ang daming Kindle.
Nagpanabilan natin si Isha.
Ang daming Kindle.
Pinakamalaking Kindle.
Dito, at MJ, dito ka sana bumili ng Kindle. Anong time na?
Time to go to New Zealand.
Yeah! Oh.
5:23.
5:23 p.m. It's time to fly to New Zealand.
We're going to Florence, New Zealand. In a few minutes.
Finally. Ano we're supposed to be there right now? Hindi kami magkatabi. Birds of a feather.
We should stick together.
In New Zealand. Cute naman. Tinan mo yung ano niya. That's so cute. Best friend in New Zealand.
After 1 day.
After 1 day. 24 hours.
You too.
Oh my god. Sheep. Ay, no. Lamb. Ay,
Sila naka-shades. Kailangan ba
syempre,
naka-shades ako para
may sun. Hello. Hello. May ano ka ba? Oh, what the heck? May pa ano pa sila, may may pa sound effects pa sila. Grabe, may immersive, ano pa sila, may immersive experience pa sila. Dito na tayo.
Condensation.
Ooh, whoa. Chill. The night chill. Wow! Lamis! Uy, ang sarap ng lamig niya.
Mami, daddy, inggit kayo.
Time check. 2:51.
Mamaya pag pasok ng hotel, wala na yung lalagay.
Nakarating na kami sa hotel room namin. Toiletries.